Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Electrosurgical skin resurfacing. It's just too bad that Pone de Leon didnt find that fountain of youth that he spent so many years looking for. Just think. We could all just go to the grocery store and buy a little bottle of water that would make us look young forever. Maybe someday somebody will find it and all our troubles will be over. Until that wonderful day happens, though, we have to do the best we can do to keep the lines and wrinkles that appear on our faces as unnoticeable as possible. There are many skin resurfacing techniques around today. There is chemical peeling, in which as acid is used to remove the top layer of skin and allow new, less wrinkled skin to grow. There is dermabrasion, in which the top layer of skin is, in effect, sanded off so that new, less wrinkled can grow. There is laser skin resurfacing, in which a laser is used to remove the top layer of skin so that new skin can replace old wrinkled skin. Each of these procedures is an effective method of resurfacing the skin in order to promote the growth of new skin. Each of them has their advantages as well as their drawbacks. One drawback that chemical peeling, dermabrasion and laser resurfacing procedures have in common is that there is a tendency for discoloration of the treated skin. This has always been a concern, especially for those with darker complexions. Another complication has been allergic reactions to chemical peels. Discoloration of skin is not a problem that is connected with electrosurgical skin resurfacing, and neither is the possibility of allergic reactions. This procedure is sometimes referred to as cold ablation or coblation. A saline solution is put into the skin and then a microelectrical radio frequency is used to deliver a pulse of energy to the skin, causing the top layer to be vaporized. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.